What's going on, everybody? It is the Lego construction guy back to finish off bag number 3 on the Lego Technic Bugatti build. So it's all coming on. I think I'm on this side now doing all the wings that I'd done on this side yesterday. So let's get into this. We've got a pile of bits. You can see a pile of bits, and this is the plan. Right, did I do that bit yesterday? Let me try and remember where I was. Okay, so that would be that piece. No, I haven't done that yet. Right, we're on stage 205. We've got our coffee in the dog mug. We've had a fresh trim. It's a good start to the weekend, everybody. Good start to the weekend. Okay, let's get into the rest of this bag. Got some very fancy wing pieces here. What's everybody got planned for their weekend? Anything exciting? Anybody doing anything? I'm trying to organise a Legoland day, so stay tuned for that. Right. Okay, so that just goes on there. Yeah, the same as the other side. Righty-o, righty. That. Very small. Very small. Camera angle's okay? Yeah, I might have myself a little look in today for some more Lego. I saw some yesterday at the toy store. I just don't know what to build. Obviously I've got my next project ready. That's over there. Possibly start that tomorrow. But after that, I need something else to build. I would really like to do the tumbler from Batman. That's going to definitely be one of the ones that's done. It looks cool. It looks like quite a challenging build because all of the little pieces are, I suppose, black. That looks like a fun build. There was also a big bulldozer that took my fancy. So yeah, watch this space for Lego Mania. There's going to be a lot of it built. Got a few errands to run this morning after I finish bag 3. So come on, where do you go? Yes, in there. I cannot wait to get the wheels on this. It's going to look very cool. Oh, come on, hands. Oh, very small. Okay, so I'm basically doing the other side to what I've already done. That there. We are flying. Right, a bit. these. One of these. The little wing. Can't believe I put those wings together wrong yesterday. Idiot boy. Idiot the boy. Aha. Come on. No, not that bit, is it? No. Where are you? Little piece that I need. Ah, got it. I got it. I've got it. Right, just working it where this bit goes in again. Because it caused me a mischief yesterday. Yes. You're in. It all looks the same. Right. Oh, I've got the Lego sticker to go. Tiny little Lego sticker. Come on, let's not lose any bits. Not at this point. Right, 2 of these. A wing that's got another 10 on it. Lots of wings. Bag 4 is going to kick ass though with the wheels and finally get it all moving. What is pretty cool is the little engine pistons going up and down. Pretty good. Right, we've got a sticker. There's lots of stickers left. I think most of bag 4 is going to be stickers. Working it now again. It goes under there, same as that side. Does it go onto that? Yes, it does. I think. I can't even get my hands in there. We're in. We are in. Okay. 210. Come on. Let's have some coffee. I love coffee. I love coffee. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Right. I'm going to try and figure out how to do time-lapse videos today. So that at the end I can put together just a time-lapse of all of what I've done so far. To just make it easier for people to watch in one go. I think. I don't know how well this channel's gonna do. I don't know if anyone's gonna even watch it. It'd be great if they did. Right, so where does that bit go? Is that? looking good. It is looking good. Okay, here's one of these. I wonder how long this would take in one go. Just bang it all out in a day. You know, go for it. I know I talked about this yesterday, and it's definitely going to be something I'll do, where you just get into it and you just knock it out, break it down into small videos, and yeah, just get building. Very small, very small. Not that bit, not that bit. Right, just slow down a second. I'm rushing. I am rushing. Okay, that goes over there. Not got many pieces left. Oh, it's not good for your posture. Oof. I don't want to end up looking like a question mark. Okay, that goes in there. That goes in there. I don't remember making this bit yesterday. I must have done. Yes, I did. Ah, yes. I remember. And then I have that little awkward wing that's a nightmare to get back in the other way. Yes, I remember. Nearly broke into a bit of Michael Jackson there. We're getting there. I can't promise I won't end up coming home with some Lego later. Lego as an adult's great. You've obviously, you earn money and you can spend it on whatever you want to spend it on. Once all the mortgage bills paid, trucks paid for, fuel, food, once all of that's paid for, it looks pretty cool. Hey? Fantastic. 220. Less than 100 stages to go. And I have massively enjoyed it. I really have. But it is not over just yet. Not over just yet. I'm gonna get this done. Get this end of bag 3 done. And then I'm gonna go out and have some breakfast and have a little day about. Doing some more wings here, I think, from the looks of this. Right, let's not skip stages. Keep skipping stages. I am very excited about the Star Wars build. Again, I don't know anything about Star Wars. I don't pretend to know anything about Star Wars. But like I said, Star Wars is popular, and people are gonna want to enjoy playing with that. and I think that's a good thing. It's a good worthy cause, a very good worthy cause. Right, which one do I need first? That one. Oh my god, there's a sticker that goes on that. It's so small. Let me just make sure I've done that correctly. So once that's, yes. Wow, that is a small sticker. Oh, yeah, it is. It is the tiniest. I've got to get that on there. God, I've got to peel it off. Oh, it looks terrible. Oh, it's there now. Oh no, it doesn't look too bad. No, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Right, sticker number 25. Oh, this is going to be different. This is a long one to go down the wing. That is pretty good. I think I need some tweezers for these stickers. I think it'll be, my fingers won't be in the way. I think I'll be able to do, I think I'm gonna get some tweezers. I'm gonna get some tweezers, I've decided. I'll go to Boots today and get some sticker tweezers. My hands are too big. My hands are too big. Oh, come on, go in the little holes. Come on. No. No. Yes. Okay, so that moves. Should that move? Let me turn the car around. That is literally the only place that that could go. Ah, very cool. Got like a little sort of back wing that comes up and down. Right, I guess I'm going to make the other one of those now. Once I've put this bit together. I think. And that will join all that up, right. What is I've got a few bits left. What is annoying is I've got to do that again with the sticker. Yes, 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 yes. We are on our way. Nearly there, everybody. Nearly there. How long will this video be? Yeah, about 20 minutes. I thought it would be about 20. Well, not by the time I've done the stickers and I finished. What am I doing? Where's my coffee? Good coffee. Good coffee. That's done. That's worrying. Why is there one of those over? Let's not worry about that just yet. Let's do this sticker. We'll do the long one first. You know what? I mentioned the longer ones possibly being harder, but I don't know if you can see that. That's pretty good. It's pretty good. I've got that tiny, weeny little sticker now. Better. So not far from me is a Legoland store, Legoland World type place. So I'm going to get the girlfriend one day, probably after the summer holidays, because it will be crazy. Right, have I done all these pieces? Yes, I have. And go up there for the day and do some filming and buy some Lego. Right, I've got one of these. I think these are just surplus pieces because they're so small. I guess they give you some spares, but they will go in the bag of the top. I've got a little bag of tiny little bits, and I guess they're just in case you lose them, I guess. So stickers on, stickers. That's all in place. Yes. Look at this. Is all the engine cover. Sort of lifts up. Got a little sort of rear spoilery thing, and then you can see the front wheels will move. Very exciting. Okay, so I'm going to leave it there. I'm at the beginning of bag 4. We're going to get back on that later on, and then hopefully have this done. Ooh, there's a bit of a legend at the back. I didn't even look through all this. Clever. Clever. Okay, everybody. You have an amazing Saturday. Stay safe out there, people. Lego Construction Guy, out.